Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this wig. It's so easy to install. I know some of you will be shocked that I'm trying a color like this, but like I said earlier on, I just want to try different colors of wigs. I just want to get out of my comfort zone. And it's really lovely. I actually really like it. It is bright orange color wig. It's a very good quality wig. Like I use my hair straightener to straighten the wig, and you can actually coil it if you want. It's a bob wig, but it's a long bob, as you can see. I think it's 14 inches bob, and you can get the 12 inches or the 10 inches or 8 inches if you want a shorter one. I'm going to put the links and the name of the company in the description box below, and the specs of this wig. This is 14 inches right here, but you can do 12 or 10 inches if you want. It's a lace front wig, so you can actually comb it back if you want, but I just decided to do it like the simple bob because it comes with the middle part already made. So without blabbing too much, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So the wig came with all these accessories. And this is what the wig looks like. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part of the wig to get the more natural look. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. Now I'll be cutting out the spare lace in front. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my got2b glue gel. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. And then I'll be drying it with my blow dryer as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf for like 10 minutes and let it dry. Then I'm gonna take off the scarf and apply my heat protectant serum. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer on the parting area to give it a more natural parting look. So I'm going to use my hot comb to comb the wig. Then I'll be straightening the wig out a little bit with my hair straightener. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. It looks so beautiful. I love it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.